Hi, Natalie. Bad news. Dark methane has reappeared on several sites. What's the plan?
I know. It's critical. Methane is over 80 times more powerful than CO2 over 20 years. A real immediate danger.
We can't let him win. How do we stay ahead of him?
We're deploying the ultimate weapon, OGMP 2.0, the Oil and Gas Methane Partnership. It's the measurement-based framework from the United Nations Environment Programme to quantify, report and reduce his attacks.
So, transparency, accuracy, and a real action plan.
Exactly. We aim for the gold standard as fast as possible through 5 reporting levels. Levels 1 and 2, we establish a general site report based on generic estimates. Level 3, we refine it source by source, like stationary combustion, venting, flaring, or fugitives, but still using generic factors.
We're learning dark methane's game, but it's still theoretical.
Level 4, we get practical. Reporting is source by source based on actual on-site measurements. We identify every emissions point. Level 5, the highest level. We perform site-level measurements using drones or other technologies to reconcile with Level 4 and ensure nothing was missed.
Sky view and ground view. Nowhere left to hide.
Now, Charlie, it's your turn to play. I have 2 missions for you. Mission 1. All material-operated assets, those representing 95% of emissions, must reach Level 5 within 3 years.
Okay, I'll handle them. And non-operated assets too?
Yes, it's mandatory. Mission 2. For material non-operated assets, as an OGMP 2.0 pioneer, TotalEnergies influences partners or NOJVs to demonstrate reasonable endeavours to reach Level 5 within 5 years.
Got it. Together against dark methane.
The reward? Gold standard hero status.
Great. Do I get a nap now?
Nice try. Staying at the top requires continuous improvement every year.
All right, the gold standard is a long-term commitment. Measure better, strike better. I'm in.
Welcome to the team, Charlie. Methane needs heroes.